Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Lenovo Tab M8 4th Gen. Begin by going into Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, tap on I accept and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Nextly, in this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Go back to an Android when you're ready, and using all of those categories available at the top, select multiple files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to click on Allow a couple of times. Then select your files. Finally, you can choose Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. And click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Lenovo. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Lenovo's camera at the code. If you want to input this key, click on Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and connect by tapping on the Receive button. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!